Hydrates are solids that contain water molecules as part of the crystalline structure. You might say that it's like a solution, like a salt solution, except that the salt is the solvent and the water is the solute, right? In salt water, water is the solvent and salt is the solute. Okay, so here is a formula of a hydrate. The anhydrous formula is CaCl2, and it's got 2 waters of hydration. And so the way we name this is we name the anhydrous formula calcium chloride, and then we add the waters of hydration to the name. So there's 2 of them, so we call it dihydrate. And the molar mass just includes the molar mass of the anhydrous formula plus the molar mass of the water of hydration. So calcium chloride, well, calcium is 40.078. 2 chlorines is 2 times 35.453. So that's 110.98. And then we've got 2 waters, so 2 times 18.02. That's 147.02 grams per mole is the molar mass. Here's another one, FeCl3.6H2O. Well, FeCl3, that's iron, is a type 2 cation. So we have to figure out its charge. And we start with the anion. Each chloride has a -1 charge. There's 3 of them, so chlorine's contributing a total of -3, which means iron has to be contributing a total of +3. So that +3 is why it's iron 3 chloride, remember? And then 6 waters means hexahydrate. Have you ever used Epsom salts? It's bath salts, not that kind of bath salts, but like, you know, if you've got sore muscles from exercising a lot, you take a bath in Epsom salts and you feel better. Anyway, Epsom salts are magnesium sulfate with 7 waters, heptahydrate. So what's the percent water? We're going to use mass percent. So it's going to be the mass of the water over the total mass, multiply the result by 100 to get a percent. So that's going to equal 7 times the molar mass of water over the molar mass of MgSO4.7H2O. Times 100, of course. So here are the molar masses of magnesium and sulfur and 4 oxygens and 7 waters. So 7 times 18.02 is 126.14, and the total molar mass of the compound is 246.52, and we take that fraction and we divide by 100. And we get 51.17%. That's crazy. more than half the mass of Epsom salts is water already. That's why you have to put so much of it in your bath to get an effect. Now here's an exercise for you. What is the percent water in copper sulfate pentahydrate? Pause your video while you work. And then unpause when you're ready. So the percent H2O is going to be the mass of the water over the molar mass of the compound. So that's 5 times the molar mass of H2O over, let's see, the molar mass of copper plus the molar mass of sulfur plus 4 times the molar mass of oxygen plus 5 times the molar mass of H2O. I'm going to need some space. And of course we'll be multiplying all that by 100. So that'll be 5 times 18.02 for the water up top. And on the bottom we have copper, which is 63.55, and sulfur, which is 32.066, and 4 oxygens, so that's 4 times 16, and then we've got 5 waters, 5 times 18.02, and we multiply by 100. So give me a sec to punch that into my calculator. And that gives me 36.0809 blah blah blah, which is closest to answer choice B.